Right now I'm going to demonstrate the mixing of the Flecks cement. The Flecks cement is an insulating base, and the ratio that we're going to use, and I'm going to write it down, is 2 to 12.
Okay, so we're going to be using it as an insulating base.
Yes.
We could also use it as luting, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Flecks is the brand, but what cement are we going to be mixing?
Oh, zinc phosphate.
Awesome.
Okay, so you're going to first fluff the powder.
This one doesn't have a spatula with it? I mean, a spoon?
It doesn't, but it also has inside a cap in which we will use it, and we'll going to fill it up to the shoulder.
Do you always start with the powder first?
Yes.
Okay.
You want to start with the powder first because you don't want our liquid to evaporate. So I'm going to fill this cap to the shoulder, and I'll hold it up to you so you can see.
Oh, I have a perfect view right here.
Okay. And then you can tap it to level it off. We need to fill it up a little bit more.
Can you move your index finger just? There you go.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see. Can you go up just a little tad bit more? Just a tad bit more.
Okay.
Okay, then tap it and then we'll look at it again.
A little bit more. Feel a little bit and off to the side.
Okay, that'll work. So we need 2 of those, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And again, you want it in the center of the slab. You can tap it out with your spatula.
I can see why you're wearing a mask. I can see the little dust come out as you're doing that.
Okay. Then you're going to recap the powder. And now we're going to flatten this out. We're going to divide it into eighths. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to incorporate the 12 drops of the liquid.
So you got it into 8ths in there?
Sixth, but we can do it into eighths.
There you go.
There we go. Okay. Vertical.
So go up a little bit more to make it vertical.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Straighten it up just a little bit more to make it vertical. There you go.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, very good. And you also want to keep it separate from the powder. And you have how long to mix?
We're going to have 2 minutes to mix.
Okay, go ahead. I see that you're incorporating in increments again, which is good. You're making sure the powder really gets in there, mixed together. Everything that goes off to the side, very good. Short, quick strokes.
It's already starting to get hard.
Just stiffen up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. And it's almost going to be like a putty once you have it all mixed for the designated time.
Okay. And what are you going to do with it once it's a putty? Do you...
We're going to roll it up into a ball.
Okay. And you're going to make sure to get all that powder off to the sides. So you stop 30 seconds. Very good. Scooping in everything off to the sides, bringing it into the center. Getting all that extra powder. Okay, that's your 2 minutes. Now, if it were raining outside, Stephanie, would this affect your mix?
It might because of the humidity.
Yes. Very good. So you mix in, rolling it into a little ball. If it gets stuck to one glove, use the other one.
And there we go.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me focus on that. Very good. So you would give that to the doctor. Okay, go ahead and put that down and then show us what happens if you don't clean up right away.
You want us to show us what happens?
Yeah, no, I want you to clean too.
Okay. That would be horrible. And you want to be quick with this because immediately it'll start to set and it's really tough to get off.
So why don't you leave one alcohol gauze soaking on the glass slab while you're struggling with the spatula there, so it can start softening that up a bit. And if it wouldn't come off right away, what could you use also?
You can probably use another spatula or hard surface to scrape it off. It'll be easiest, especially if you're under a time limit and it can just easily like move to the trash or use like the end of the...
Exactly, and usually you are
slab.
under a time limit. Your instructor's usually saying, okay, let's hurry, let's go. So let me get you another spatula. Here you go.
Okay.
And this is what you would do. You would put it on top of the glass slab. You'd use the edge of the spatula to help scrape it off. That would save some time. And it'll save our counters. And then you could also use it to scrape the glass slab. Because as you can see, it's not an easy material to clean. So with Flecks, you really need to do that. You want to get the base, you want to get the corners. So very good. Thank you, Stephanie. We will leave you there cleaning.
Thank you.